Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I'm literally in the new apartment. This is literally insane. She called us this morning saying that we got approved. And then after that, we just signed our release. And a couple hours later, like 1 or 2 hours later, we got our keys. Like this is literally insane. I'm like beyond shook. Like I'm just so grateful and thankful for everything, and thank you so much for everybody like wishing for me to get these apartments. Like I'm just so grateful for every single one of you guys. I'm grateful for everything in my life. Like I just feel so blessed. This is amazing. This is a south facing window. This is going to be a east and this is a west. We don't have any windows for west, but I do have this entire two windows that I'm going to show you guys that are south. And then my plant room has two windows that are in south and two that are in east. So I'm gonna get a good amount of light, which is I'm just so shocked. So with any further ado, let's just start this houseplant tour. But before I begin, hi, if you are new, my name is David, and this channel we upload a lot of plant content. So if you enjoy all that good jazzy stuff, all plant related, consider subscribing because that's literally what we do in this channel. So with any further ado, let's just get started. As you walk in, this is literally the door. So when you walk in, this is exactly what you see. I'm gonna go as slow as I can because I know I tend to like shake. Well, not shake, but I mean, I end up shaking the camera a lot. So as soon as you walk in, this is the door. This is the coat section, like where you put like, when visitors come in, they can put their shoes right there and their coats. So that's gonna be really, really fun. And then you turn around, this section is going to be, now supposedly they cleaned it, but I'm gonna need to get some white eraser. Like, I'm gonna need to clean this. But as you guys can see, there's two doors and that's going to be for the laundry. So that's really, really fun. And I'm also gonna put my cleaning supplies in here. We are in the third floor, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult to bring the dryer up here. And when we order the washer, the guys are gonna like, you know, put it over here. I guess I can literally zoom out. I don't know why I'm just like doing it like this. And then over here we have the kitchen, which is so good and jazzy. So over here we have this beautiful, I don't know what you call it. It's not an island, but it's super cute. And I also love that you can literally put some benches over here. So people can like, you know, sit over here and just chat as like I'm cooking, or my mom when she's coming over and she's cooking because her food is amazing. I also love that there's an outlet. There is two switches. One is for the disposal, and then this one is for the light above. So that's fun. I also love that it's two double sinks. I literally didn't even notice that, and that wasn't even on my apartment thing, but that's really what I do appreciate a lot. And the fact that it has a double sink, I'm just so, oh my god, I'm so happy. And as you guys can see, there is two like washer plates. There are some cabinets in the bottom, and I know some people like say like a lot of people don't care about the cabinets, but when I was like watching some videos, because like before this I was watching, well, binge watching a lot of like empty apartment house, oh my god, a lot of those videos are like people like, you know, getting their apartments, and people were saying like we don't really care about the cabinets, but then other people were saying like some of us do. So I'm gonna make sure that I'm doing everything for all of y'all, sincere guys, because I know that I really did like them when they were showing all the cabinets. Over here we have more cabinet space in the kitchen. Also, I'm probably mispronouncing some things. English is not my first language. I'm trying my best, you guys. But this is really, really cool. I might get into like a snack section, and over here in the bottom I'm gonna put all the drinks that we have. So that's really, really gonna be fun. We have another cabinet, another outlet. We turn around and there is more cabinets, the stove, and I didn't know, like I literally was gonna buy a new microwave because the one that I have, my mom's gonna keep it, but literally they already have one in here, so that's really, really fun. Like this is just crazy. The fact that it's built in, like, oh my god. And hey, reflection, hi guys. Here's more cabinets, and yes, I literally walked in and I opened every single one of them because I was just so excited and I want to see how much space there was inside. And then here's another one. Fun and more, and another one. Some of you guys already have the luxury of having this many cabinets, but for me, I've never had this many, especially in my old apartment with my boyfriend. There wasn't a lot, and then in the home that we were renting, there either wasn't, like, there was very little. But in this one there's so many. And this is a fridge. It also has an ice maker. So that's amazing because my boyfriend loves his ice. But that's the kitchen. And then over here is where the AC, like, you know, does its thing. It's currently locked, so I'm guessing we're not supposed to go in there, but that's a-okay because, I mean, there's no reason to go inside. But over here is the living room. I honestly love these lights. I'm gonna need to like buy another small dining table because like I said, majority of my stuff, I'm gonna leave it to my mom because I don't want to ship everything away from, because we were living together and I'm moving out in a rental home. But yeah, I don't want to like leave the house empty, so I'm gonna need to like buy a lot of things over. But it's okay. It's like a good restart. There's an outlet right there. I'm literally like a crazy outlet person because I use a lot of light. There's another one right there and there. Some light switches in the fan. This is a south-facing window. Holy crap! And there's more switches over here. Switches and then an outlet and for the internet, I'm guessing. And there's our little balcony. As you guys can see, it is pretty quiet. And the highway is a little bit out there, as you guys can see, but look at the sky. Beautiful. And this is the windows for the master bedroom, which I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. And here is the outdoor storage, I'm guessing. And by the way, it's crazy that these are 9 feet ceilings. That's, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm like just going crazy with this apartment. Like I really did love it a lot when I saw it online, and I'm just so beyond grateful that I literally, my boyfriend never got accepted. We are paying $1,015 for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. And here is the balcony or patio. Like I said, I'm not really good with English. You guys gotta bear with me. I also love that this, like I said, I'm also really into houseplants, to the fact that it's a south-facing window and there is another window in the door. It's more natural light coming in, which is amazing for plants because I have a lot of houseplants. That's why I have my own plant room, because I am a crazy plant person. This is the master bedroom where all the magic happens. I zoomed out to give you guys a better look. I know the quality is not always the best, but I will zoom in a bit. We were literally walking over here with my brother and my boyfriend to look inside. Look at this ceiling, the fan. In my other apartment, they did not have a fan, so the fact they have one and this one, it's amazing. So yeah, this is what we have. There is an for the internet. It's like, I forget what they're called, but it's for the phone and the internet, an outlet, another outlet. 2 beautiful south-facing windows. Holy crap. Another outlet, and then another outlet. And over here, there is a lot of doors. And at first I didn't like it, but for some reason when my brother and I were walking in, we got like a little bit like confused and lost. And I guess that's like, I guess the reason is, not the reason, but it feels like it's a bigger apartment for some reason, because there's just so many doors. But they're all open, but usually this will be closed because this is the, oh, it would have been so impressive if this was closed. So let me just start over. This is the door to the closet. So let's open it. And over here we have the closet. So it's pretty spacious. We don't really have a lot of clothing. We're not crazy over clothing. He's crazy over games and I'm crazy over plants. But this is pretty good, pretty doable. And you open this and we have the master bathroom. Y'all, I'm just so stunning. Like so, oh my god, it's just so big. And look at my case, isn't that so cool? Okay, so this is the master bathroom and there's some cabinets in the bottom. So that's great to like store toilet paper. I don't really see a place to store towels. So I might need to put some at the bottom or buy one of those things that you like, I don't know what you call them, but you can like store things in there. So like a shelf for like the top of the toilet. Okay, and here is the light. This is for like to get the bad odors out, the fan. And this is cool because like I usually do not like having my toothbrush in here because like supposedly it gets bacteria when people flush the toilet. So the fact that it's in here and then my toothbrush is going to be covered, it's amazing. I don't know if you can remove it, okay, you can't, but amazing. Here is the sink, pretty good pressure. There's an outlet right there. And then here's the toilet paper thing. Here is the tub. And I got in and it's literally very deep compared to the other one that I had in my other apartment. And then in my recent rental home, they didn't have a tub. So the fact they have one in this one is gonna be amazing because I love taking baths. And people say like it's nasty, but if you take a good shower and then you know, you actually clean your tub, then theoretically when you take a bath, it's not gonna be that dirty because you already cleaned yourself. But anywho, here is this. I also love that everybody has this built in. Like I said, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already have this, but you know, this is my second apartment, my third rental unit, and I didn't have this. So this is amazing. In my old apartment, it was painted, and this looks like it's legit because in my first apartment that my boyfriend and I rented, the paint that was on the tub was peeling off, which was so nasty. But this feels like it's actually like in there. It doesn't feel like it's painted, so that's pretty great. And that's to like hang the towels and the floor. I also love that the living room is literally, you know, floor, not carpet, because I hate carpet. I mean, in the bedroom, I don't really mind because, like, you know, it's just the bedroom, but in the living room, no, because a lot of people walk in, it's a lot harder, you know, to clean on a carpet. Anywho, so here is a little overview. Now we're gonna walk to the plant room. Y'all, those two windows are south facing and this is east facing, which means this is gonna be where the sun rises. I'm probably incorrect, 1000%, but like, yeah, like this is it. There's just a lot of light in here, and that's just what I'm so beyond happy. Like, let me turn off the light so you guys can see. And it is very cloudy outside, but yeah, this is like a lot of light. This is like, my plants are gonna be so happy in here. And yeah, I'm probably gonna like not turn it off, but like close it, because I don't want any AC air coming inside. I want it to be really, really humid in this room. Not to the point it's gonna get mold, but you know, humid enough. And I'm gonna have this fan on 24/7. I don't, you know, to like make sure that no mold happens in here. All of these do have blinds. I just opened them because I wanted to see the amount of light that comes in. But that's pretty great. Here is the closet. Pretty nice. That's where I'm gonna store all of my pots and like plant materials, my fertilizers and all that good jazzy stuff. And then over here you open it and this is the guest or restroom slash bathroom, and this is gonna be closed. So as you guys can see, this is where people are gonna come over. And I'm gonna buy some fake plants in here because like one fake orchid. Some people hate fake plants, but I'm like in the middle. Like, I don't really mind, especially in this really, really dark place. Like, there's no, you know, windows, but I do want a little bit of light, so I'm gonna place maybe like something in here to give it some like life. And then you open this, and this is where the toilet is at. This is the second bathroom or restroom. I don't even know, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And nobody's basically gonna use this because my boyfriend and we have our own, and it's just him and I living here, and I'm pretty sure my guests are not really gonna use it. Very rare. So I'm gonna make it look like a spa. I wanna make it look really, really cute. Like, I wanna buy like that table that you put in the middle, like a wood piece, and have like some like what do you call it, bath crystals and stuff like that. Oh my god, I wanna make it look so cute, and this is just so much fun. But yeah, and there's an outlet right there and an outlet right there, which is literally amazing. And yes, I know the lights are on. I'm gonna turn them off once I'm done filming. But over here, we're gonna walk out. I know there's a lot of doors, and we're back in the kitchen and the living room. But if we turn around a little bit more, this is going to be my boyfriend's gaming room, because you know, he plays a lot, and I do want him to have his own space. Since I have my plant room, he's gonna have his gaming room, and we are going half and half. This light bulb is having issues, so I'm gonna need to replace it. But yeah, this is his room, and he ended up telling me like, I don't really use the closet, and I was like, okay, can we use it for like storage, because like I need more storage. I have a lot of like decor. And look at his closet. This is literally the biggest closet out of the, well, compared to the plant room. So I'm gonna store all of my Christmas decor, Thanksgiving decor, spring decor in here, which I'm so excited. But yeah. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I was probably shaking a lot and I probably mispronounced a lot of things. Lord have mercy, the lighting. Oh, look, if you're a houseplant lover or a plant lover, you know that direct lighting is literally amazing. And the fact that it's like light, I'm just so blessed. I'm so grateful. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And if you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. It's free. It does help me out. I don't get any money out of it, but it does tell you to like, hey, this was a good video. Let's push it out to other people, and that how it helps me. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.